And there's this fucking Azuma wearing fucking hairpins. Like, the fuck? No, get that 35 cents. We're in Koreatown. Woo! Fuck yeah! We're at Daiso. It kind of looks like titties.
Looks like mine in the car over here.
For, you know, lounging out or, you know, going to grandma's house.
This tastes like ass. Don't order red bean.
Order pistachio frappe with boba. It's bomb as fuck. Oh my god, it smells so good. Suddenly, I'm gonna get it. Oh, Lark's drink? It's a pore cleansing. Pore cleansing clay pack. That's it. I'd like to get this. Look at Kai. Looking perfect as ever.
Free sample, so you also get try this.
Oh, cool.
Your face wash is the snail foam cleanser. You also get to try the body cream, which makes the skin very, very soft.
Wow.
You also get a mud foam cleanser good for clogged pores and impurities. And you also get to try out the honey herb sleeping pack.
Oh, that's cool. Thanks.
You're welcome. Thank you. Have a great evening.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Free samples.
노래가 아닌 랩 내 목소리 들려 신도할 수 없던 모두를 위한 이벤트 익숙해 달려드는 악마들의 삿대질 누구도 예상 못한 도전의
Excuse me, how much is this?
That's $54.
항상 들려주고 싶어서 많이 누워
I'll click on it.
What? All I heard was ass.
Humidifier? Suddenly, you should get her and her. They're the sassiest one. Aww. Are you okay?
I'm already sad.
Say bye.
Bye. That shit was spicy as hell. Help me look for an oppa.
Arrived at Los Angeles Chinatown.
Oh! We're in Chinatown. What?
Noya Converse, hi. You look really Japanese.
Yeah.
Your Japanese side. The Japanese side is showing.
Suddenly we have to jaywalk.
We walking up in this bitch.
About to shoot up Chinatown.
Bitch.
They moved it over here.
Enjoy the ride.
Beck, get on.
I want the pink one. Layla!
Fucking ham.
If I should stay, I would only be in the way. So I'll go, but I know how I
Think of you.
every step of the way. Dun, dun. And I will always love you.
You know why we keep trying to get boba? Every boba place we go to tastes like fucking ass. Oh shit, wrong camera.
My makeup's melting. My eyelashes are falling off. This boba tastes like shit. This hat ain't doing shit to protect me. Taco truck. Okay, bye.
You are my destiny.
What the fuck?
Could
Hey, fool, is that some flowers and shit?
some flowers, man.
Hey, you got some 2 cents, I can buy one.
You hungry? Girl, let's go to the restaurant.
Crazy. They always claim they know me, coming to me, call me Stacy. I'm the F to the E, R, G, the I, the E, and can no other lady put it down like me. I'm Fergalicious. Check it out. Baby, baby, baby. Who's the taste of you every time on the ride? You're toxic, I'm stepping out.
See me? You're going too fast.